Dear students, in my channel Uncover CSE. Okay, today I am going to discuss what is a C language. So first you subscribe this channel. Okay, it's my request. Please subscribe this channel. It is my motivation when I'm going to see the subscription of my channel. And like if you gain something. Okay, please hit like button and please hit bell icon also. Share if you want your friends growth. Okay. So today I am going to discuss what is C. So students, in first year of our BTech in BCA, in every professional computer science course we will uh, learn C. So why faculties are repeatedly saying ki please learn C or please make programs in C? What are the use? Okay. So first I am going to discuss what is C, and then I am going to discuss why we should learn C. The C is general purpose programming language. C is general purpose programming language. Okay, and who was the creator of C? Dennis Ritchie. And when he has created, that is 1972. The year is 1972. And where Dennis Ritchie is sitting, and where uh, he has doing all the things, that is Bell Laboratories. Okay, so this is the introduction, and now we will learn why it is very popular. When I am saying the word popular, what does it mean? It means nowadays you students are making reels, okay, and uploaded it in some social media platform. How you are going to choose any social media platform? You are choosing that platform that is very popular. If you are finding any popular social media app, you are going to download it and uploading your videos like TikTok. Okay, earlier it was TikTok, now Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is. Okay, so as like in social media apps, there is a programming language application. There is many programming language. Why C is most popular despite being old? It is very old language, but nowadays it is a popular. You are learning it because you are learning. It means it is a very popular. After uh, 1972, many years ago, this language has been created, but you are learning now only, despite being old. The main reason for its popularity is its fundamental language in our computer science field. Okay, it is fundamental language in our field, in our computer science field. Okay, uh, after that, now we will come why we learn, why we should learn C. Okay, so there are numerous of reasons, but I will discuss three or four. That is whatever I feel required. C is most popular. Okay, if Facebook is popular, then your parents are going to learn. Nowadays many uh, old people are going to learn. Okay, so popular things people should learn. One of most programming language. popular programming language. If you know C, you have no problem learning other language such as Java, Python, and C++. Okay, in C++, uh, mostly the syntax are same. Okay, so syntax are similar, logics are similar. Okay, so we are learning it. C is very fast. Ma'am, you are saying C is very fast. Okay, C is running. Is C is running or not? C is very fast compared to other programming language. Okay, my meaning is to saying it. It is very compared to other language. Other language means which language? Java or Python. Okay, I am saying about some popular language like Java and Python. C is fast. And the fourth reason why C is fast, you will come to know after one by one when I am going to deep in the concept. Okay, you will know. C is versatile. Now what does it mean? You are saying C is versatile, what does it mean? Okay, like you people, like you students, okay, you are doing your bachelor degree, some are doing BCA, some are doing BTech. Instead of doing all the things, you can be a good poet. Okay, you can be a good cricketer, you can be a good in anything. Okay, so you are doing BTech also, you are good in something also. Okay, both things you are doing at the same time in a very efficient manner. Okay, so that is called your versatile personality. As like you, C is versatile, it can be used in applications. Okay, and technologies. So C is versatile. Now I am going to discuss the difference between C and C++. You are listening nowadays to your C from your seniors, from your faculties, to learn C++ for placement purpose. Okay, this is not C minus, this is C. See the difference between C and C++. C is extension of C. Okay, C is the extension of C is C++. First reason is this. First difference is this. Okay, both language has same syntax. So there will be no difference. Most of the some syntax can be different, but mostly almost the same syntax. Okay, and the main difference, that is, I can say this is very important difference between C and C++ is C++ supports supports classes and objects. Okay, while C does not. While C does not. Okay, so this is the basics of C. Okay, now I am going to discuss we will discuss how we will write a program and make it execute. Okay, to start using C, we need two things. What we need? Compiler and one IDE. Ma'am, what is IDE and what is compiler? See, IDE is integrated development environment. Okay, compiler is uh, the checker, like our parents. Okay, we are in second class, then our parents are coming, are going to cooperate with us. Okay, if we are in third class, then also he is cooperating, and he is giving continuous, or they are giving continuous instruction, and we should follow it. Okay, why we are going to follow it? because they know very well about society and about the thing whatever we are going to do now. See, if I am going to calculate to the power 3, it is very simple, okay, to calculate to the power 3 manually. We will multiply 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. And if the same question is there but the power should be different, like x is there, okay, then how will we find? Okay, because here x can be anything. X can be 1 2 4 9 7, anything it can be. So this is very difficult for us to find out to the power x. Then Dennis Ritchie think, okay, I can calculate this, but I cannot calculate this in very less time. I can calculate, but it will take more time compared to the computer. So Dennis Ritchie makes a language in that there is syntax. Syntax means, like in English language we are using grammars, we are using some words, okay, some helping verbs. There is a rule to make a sentence, okay. For making a sentence in every language there is a rule. That rule is to make understandable language better, we are following rules, continuously following rules, okay. So to make understandable the language properly to the computer, uh, there is a translator, we can say translator. Compiler is converting our instruction will be in English, okay, but computer is not going to understand the English, okay. Compiler does not know English. Oh, sorry. Computer does not know English. Okay. So, in computer there is a compiler. Compiler receives instruction and give a machine code language. Okay. Machine code, whatever machine will going to understand. Machine will understand 0 or 1. Okay. Computer only understands 0 and 1. Everything binary, this is binary number 0 and 1. There is a 2 number, that is why we are saying it binary. In instruction are going to translate in some 0 or 1 format with the help of compiler. So compiler should know the exact meaning of your statements, okay. If I am writing a statement, I can go, okay, or I will go, both have different meanings, but the syntax is correct. If syntax is correct and if sentence is correct with the proper grammar and everything, then it means it is correct. It will be executed by a person and it will he will understand what you are going to doing, okay. So compiler will, if this statement is correct, compiler will go to process it and give some instruction in 0 and 1 or machine level language to computer. So I think you know. So we need to if we are going to execute any problem or any solution in C, we need two things: id. There are many id. Code blocks is id, okay. Compiler we are going for in C, GCC compiler. This will go to translate the C code into a language that the computer will understand, okay. There are many text editor and compiler to choose, but I am suggesting you code blocks, dev C++. In dev C++ you can execute C++ also and C also, but you will select, if you will select C, then it will be obviously it will run C code, dev C++, and one is turbo C and Visual Studio. Okay, these are the IDs. You can download any of them, any of these ID, and you can execute your program, okay. And now I am going to suggest you uh, any of them you can use. Okay, so there is also a web based means you can use on online compiler GDB. This is a website. Mostly I am doing my programs when I am going to teach you, then I will use this only. Okay, or I can on for Mac, this all are for Windows. Okay, easily you can find out in that Google, on go to Google and type it and download it from official website. Okay, on Mac Xcode is there. Okay, there will be a version, and if your laptop is if your Mac is OS is of above that version, you can download Xcode. Okay, if these are not working for you, you can use web based ID, that is GDB compiler. And but functionality is limited. Obvious, it is obvious thing कि if compiler is online, okay, everything is online, so it will give some limited functionalities. See, we can go on. I will do all the things in practical. Now I am going to make you understand कि you understanding the simple thing. Okay, for creating a file, if we are going on Xcode, then on in Visual Studio or any of the application, okay, or for C language, we need to go on file. After that we will go new and we will select empty file. Okay, after selecting empty file, we need to save our code with an extension. Like if I am going to give a name to my file name, like I am going to make s dot s. Okay, s is the file name, or I can see sg is a file name. So what are the extension for C? The extension of C is .c. If I am saving my programs from .c using .c, it means after selecting .c, we will go at save file as, and we will save it. When we will save it, it will work. Okay, now I am going to the discuss basic structure of the program. See, I am going to okay, this is the basic structure. I will make you understand. Okay, this is the program. See, in this program I am writing first line. Okay, if you would not understand the code above this code, we will discuss it in detail. Okay, so don't worry, and I am here to answer everything. You can comment me. Okay, so has include stdio.io.h. This is a library like a book. Okay, if I am going to use dictionary, English to Hindi dictionary. Okay, so every English word alphabetically it will be there. Okay, I can search it out and use it in while learning any language. So while doing this program, I am using printf. Printf is a function which will give the display output. That is, if in double quotes I am writing uncover csv, it will give uncover csv on the console display. Okay, so why has include stdio, why int main? See, compiler are coming here. If hash include stdio.h, it will associate this library, this dictionary I am saying because you can relate it. Okay, uh, officially this is library. Okay, has include means I this compiler will enable to include it. It is before the compilation, but compiler will understand. Okay, std.h file is std.h library is included here. And after that int main. Int main is a basic by default function. After int main, compiler will understand, okay, int main is there, function is started. If function is started, it means in function between the curly braces of this function starting and last, I need to execute this. Compiler will get to know. Okay, this is the basic structure. Okay, after writing this program, you can compile this program on your id, compile this program plus run. Both you can do at same time, and you can, there will be multiple options: compile, run, and compile plus run, everything. Okay, so this is the basic structure of program. This is a very basic. If you don't know anything in C, I think this will help you. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I i hope you will understand some thing in C language. Okay, some basic understanding. And after this, I will suggest continue watching this series, because if you missed anything, you will lose. Okay, you will lose your passion to learn this. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos. It will give me motivation if any student is subscribing and they are watching for knowledge purpose. So thanks for watching once again.